Differentiating between single-player and multiplayer game design involves understanding how each type focuses on player experience, interaction, and technical considerations. Here's a concise comparison. 1. Player interaction. Single player. Designed for a solitary gaming experience where the player interacts with the game world independently. The focus is on narrative-driven gameplay, exploration, and overcoming challenges without interaction with other players. Multiplayer. Emphasizes interaction between multiple players in real time. Players collaborate or compete with each other, influencing gameplay dynamics through teamwork, strategy, or direct competition. 2. Game mechanics. Single player. Game mechanics are tailored to support a cohesive narrative and solo gameplay experience. Challenges and puzzles are designed to be solvable by a single player, often with the progression of a linear storyline. Multiplayer. Game mechanics focus on balancing player interactions and fostering competitive or cooperative gameplay. Mechanics like team-based objectives, player versus player, PvP, combat, or cooperative missions enhance multiplayer dynamics. 3. Narrative and storytelling. Single player. Narratives are typically linear or branching, driven by the player's progression through the game. Storytelling elements like cutscenes, dialogue, and character development play a significant role in immersing the player in the game world. Multiplayer. Narrative elements may take a backseat to gameplay dynamics but can still be present through lore, background stories, or contextual objectives. Multiplayer games often focus on emergent narratives shaped by player interactions and outcomes. 4. Player experience and immersion. Single player. Offers a more personal and immersive experience where players can delve deeply into the game world's atmosphere, lore, and characters without external influences. Multiplayer. Provides a social experience where players engage with each other, fostering community and camaraderie or competition. Immersion is driven by real-time interactions, teamwork, and the unpredictability of human opponents. 5. Technical considerations. Single player. Focuses on optimizing performance for a single player's experience, with less emphasis on network connectivity and synchronization. Multiplayer. Requires robust network infrastructure to support real-time communication and synchronization between multiple players. Technical considerations include latency management, server infrastructure, and anti-cheat measures. 6. Replayability and longevity. Single player. Often valued for its narrative depth and replayability through alternate story paths, collectibles, or achievements. Players may revisit the game to explore different outcomes or master gameplay mechanics. Multiplayer. Emphasizes replayability through dynamic player interactions and evolving meta strategies. Updates, new content, and community events sustain player engagement over extended periods. 7. Community and social dynamics. Single player. Interaction is typically limited to sharing experiences or achievements through social media or forums, focusing on individual player accomplishments. Multiplayer. Fosters community building, clans, and guilds where players collaborate, compete, and socialize within the game. Community-driven events, tournaments, and forums enhance the multiplayer experience. Understanding these differences helps developers tailor game design, mechanics, and player engagement strategies to create compelling experiences in both single-player and multiplayer games. Each type offers unique opportunities for storytelling, interaction, and technical innovation, catering to diverse player preferences and gaming contexts.